Acadiana 10.
If we want to bend the curve again and get this back under control without having to go back to phase 1 or to phase 0, now is our time.
Starting Monday, you'll be required to wear a mask in public places and areas where you can't be socially distant. This under Governor Edwards' new mask mandate. The mandate comes a day after the state saw one of the highest number of new COVID-19 cases. It's one of two major changes the governor is making for phase 2. For the mask mandate, everyone over the age of 8 must wear masks, but there are some exceptions. You can be exempt if you have a breathing or health problem. Also, parishes with low COVID-19 cases can opt out. But during today's press conference, the governor said there are only 3 parishes in the state that don't have high rates of infections. Those parishes are Grant, Red River, and West Feliciana. Edwards says the decision was made because current restrictions are just not enough. It's an effort to prevent the state from going back to phase 1. But as Iman Boyd reports, the mandate is getting mixed reaction from the public.
With an increase in cases, Governor Edwards says masks are necessary to limit the spread of COVID-19. With his mandate making masks a requirement, some in Acadiana say it's a good move.
Everybody's entitled to their opinion. I think he's looking out for the greater good.
It's a topic that hit close to home for Grant Buxton. He's recently lost a loved one to the virus.
Unfortunately, there's another person I know not in contact with, though, but has succumbed to the illness, and so it needs to be. We need to take this seriously, you know.
Buxton, along with others, say the mandate is needed during the pandemic.
It is what it is. Not everybody is going to like it, but what are you going to do? You know, you got to comply. Just get up every day and do the right thing. Take care of yourself, wash your hands, be respectful of others, and just, you know, we're going to ride this out, and we're going to come out way ahead.
But not everyone feels the same. Some who didn't want to be shown on camera disagreed with the mandate. One person saying, quote, "This virus is not going away. You cannot force people to wear masks." Some comments on KATC's Facebook page also echoing the same thoughts. One person commented, "Wearing one should be a choice." Another refusing to wear one, calling masks useless. Governor Edwards says while there are opponents to the mandate, he stresses the move is all about safety. And Buxton agrees.
Don't make it political. Make it more about just a health conscious decision, you know? I think that's what we need to do as a community. I think that's first and foremost what the governor's trying to tell us, and he's got family and friends just like we do, and we're just trying to be good citizens.
In Lafayette, Iman Boyd, KATC TV3.
Another change will impact all bars. The bars will sell to go only under the new restrictions. The new order also limits the size of indoor social gatherings. It's an effort to, but essential businesses are exempt. This, along with the mask mandate, will all go into effect Monday morning at 12:01 a.m. And here are the latest numbers in Louisiana. The Department of Health is reporting 2,167 new cases. That's the 4th highest single-day case count. 23 new deaths were also added. Almost 1,200 people are in the hospital with COVID-19. 121 of them are on ventilators. In Acadiana, Lafayette Parish saw the biggest jump with over 200 cases. Calcasieu reported 7 deaths. In the state, more than 42,000 people are presumed recovered from the virus. And don't forget, free COVID-19 testing will continue this weekend at Cajun Field. UL and the Department of Health are partnering to provide free drive-through testing until Wednesday. Testing will be available every day from 8 until 4 for people 5 and older. ID is not required, but you will need to register in advance. The president visited Walter Reed Military Medical Center today, wearing a mask in public for the first time. This as several states are hitting record high numbers of deaths from COVID-19. Some governors now mandating masks and rolling back reopening plans. Here's ABC's Karina Mitchell with the latest.